Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, guys. Out here in beautiful Switzerland. We come here once a year, and it's a tradition whenever I'm here, I drop a video for you guys, an inspirational one. I just want to give you a quick tour before I begin with this. I came later in the year. You know, it's already, the snow is melting. Came from Dubai all the way to the cold. You know, sometimes you miss European soil. So, let's talk about it, shall we? 10 years, guys, I've been in the markets. 10 years in the markets, and I've gained a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, and more importantly, I gained exactly what I was set out, what I was trading for or investing for, and that's the money. Now, here's one thing you guys need to understand. When it comes to money, right, it is the most volatile thing I guess you can put your eyes on, right? And because of that, I can guarantee you 1 out of 2 people today watching this, they will have some sort of problems with their health, mental health down the line, if not already, right? You know, your anxiety, your stress, you don't feel it, especially when you're trading with small capital, right? But the moment you go big, and I'm sure you guys are trying to make it big in this field, you know, the moment you do that, you know what ends up happening? You start to get challenged. You start to feel like you can't sleep, like the world is against you, like you're a bad trader. And the markets will do that to you. You know, there's no business out there, no job out there that has the emotional roller coasters like the one you have in the markets. And especially those Bitcoin traders, those crypto hodlers, those stock market investors in growth sectors, you guys will have a roller coaster day in, day out. And if you can't manage that, and if you don't manage that, guys, I can promise you, hypertension is the first thing you'll get. Anxiety is probably coming first, and then hypertension. And I'm telling you this from all experience, right? You need to learn how to manage that. If you can't manage it, pull away from the markets. Don't even become a trader. I promise you guys, you will quit before you even see a cent. Because it's scary. It's scary. It's not for everybody. If you can't manage, your mindset, like your thoughts need to be, I've made this trade. I understand what the market is doing now, and I'm going to reap the reward down the line. Like today, the Bitcoin guys, they see a Bitcoin reserve and they say, oh, it's time to moon. And then when it doesn't, their hopes is like shattered, right? I see the crypto guys on Twitter. Every day is like tomorrow's is the day we rally. Like, you guys don't understand. Because you keep showing up every day expecting something, it's not going to happen. And because when it doesn't happen, you will suffer mentally. You will have problems at home, even your business, even the fact that I tell people, look, if you have money invested, stay busy. Go day trade. Yes, even if you're the worst day trader, just stay busy. Even if you're going to lose money day trading, go day trade. Just so you can stay busy. So your mind is somewhere else. But the fact that you're worrying and thinking, and then you have comments of little ass boys on the internet, people who are trading with pennies, give you their thoughts, and maybe they're on the opposite trade, and you see that comment or that headline, and it scares you away and it makes you doubt everything. Even though when you enter the trade, maybe you were confident. And we're talking about not just swing trading, we're also talking about investing. So today, you have to come to terms, you have to stop giving a fuck, guys. I can curse now. I couldn't curse, but I can, because I'm in Europe. You gotta stop giving a fuck, guys, seriously. About everything, not just money, not just trading, not just the fact that, the markets, like, you have to come to terms with, okay, I'm gonna make some trades. I'm gonna put money here in this company or in this stock, in Bitcoin, in crypto. The moment you put the money there, in here, you have to say, I lost it. So now because subconsciously you got to detach yourself from it. But look, not everybody can do that. Not everybody has a mentor to tell them this is exactly what to expect. I know this because I was that person and I had to work on it. You know, if I was to start a program for the normal person, you know what the program would be? It would be how to manage emotions, how to gain confidence in your trades, especially when they're down, and how to ignore the noise out there, how to analyze the market, because when you understand the market, you understand any volatility, even if it's against you, it's happening because certain things are there's certain things that are not happening in the market. Like today, there's a Bitcoin reserve that was signed by Trump. You know, what do you say? You say, why is it not going up when the Bitcoin reserve is here? Well, it's not going up because the most important thing is not there, which is liquidity. Liquidity is being sucked away from the market. So when you understand that, you can actually talk yourself out of the bad, negative thoughts that you have. But a lot of people will go to the negative comments to read that instead of understanding why that's happening, right? And that's a program I'm actually going to launch after 10 years, guys. I'm going to launch this program. It's for well-being, emotions, control, and anxiety, you know, to eliminate all of that, especially if you're a high player, high net worth trader. You need this. But we'll launch that later on Patreon. You know, for 10 years of doing this, I think I've earned my badge to help you guys. Yeah, you know, it's not easy, guys. You know, you think you just make trades and you make money and that's it. Come on. You know, if it was that easy, everybody would be making it. It's what you do when things aren't working out. That's when it becomes hard. It's easy just to bet on things when they're already going up. But when they're not working out, what do you do? So, I just wanted to give you guys this quick message, especially for the Bitcoin people, for the hodlers, and for everybody else. Maybe I'll walk down the line and drop another message in another video. We'll leave it for another day. So, that's me done. Peace and love, guys, and I'll see you next time.